pace of the pitch to his liking. I think this is a very sensible call by Bangladesh.
He has been sighting the ball really well. That's why he's accomplished the kind of feat that he has. So good decisions on both sides. Ahmed Danial to bowl and Glenn and Habib to come out for Bangladesh.
Irfan Khan, his choices would have been Ahmed Danial, who bowled a brilliant last over, 2 for 11 of his 4 the entire spell, and Sufyan Mukim, 3 for 11. So he has gone for the safer option, which is a go pace. Habibur Rahman Sohan, 26 of 16 with 3 boundaries and a couple of sixers. He's been joined by Abdul Ghaffar Saklain, who remain unbeaten, 16 of 12 deliveries with 2 sixers. Ahmed Danial was excellent with the ball and the bat in the semi-final. Continues his good work with 4 overs, 11 runs, 2 wickets, and he will continue to bowl the super over. The field, the short third man, short cover point, short fine leg, short extra cover, in deep, sweeper cover, long off, long on, deep mid and deep square leg.
Brings Saklain back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Jishan Alam, the last man in.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide. 5 runs. Pressure. That's pressure, Salman.
No need to change. Not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat 10 minutes go back in time. And now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Aziguri, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial right throughout in the death overs in the tournament. He's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. But he has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Rahman got a single from the first ball. Yet to watch agonizing from the non-strikers, and both his partners been dismissed for some excellent deliveries by Ahmed Danial. Into the super over in the first semi-final. Team batting second at that time. Bangladesh won pretty easily. Now, Pakistan, when they come out to bat, they've got to make 7 runs with 2 wickets in hand. Same question for you, Maza. Who's your choice for the super over?
Ripon Mondal. Just to provide some hope to the Bangladeshi fans as well. He's bundled out India A without even scoring a run in the super over. So there's still a hope.
Pakistan is inching towards, for my opinion, even for the man of the series, the way he has performed. Just on Pakistan, Shaheen, maybe a right-hand, left-hand combination?
Yes, I wouldn't mind that. Mahas Sadakat would be the choice. And maybe Saad Masood, the guy who scored 38 not out and looked good from his fresh knock. And that is the person.
Yeah, I'll probably go with Mahas Sadakat and Saad Masood just on pure. Yeah, they've scored runs on the day.
Yeah, it's going to be a good test between bat and ball. David Hemp, with all his experience, mentioning the fact that to keep them calm. Ripon Mondal, I'm sure he must be the ball in his hand. Bangladesh can still dream.
Millions watching this coverage. Bangladesh, Ripon Mondal did the unthinkable against India A. Dismissed Jitesh Sharma and Ashutosh Sharma in the super over. Millions were watching in Dhaka, Chattogram, Khulna, Borisal. All these places, Maza, they be glued to the TVs.
So the news is just Mas Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan Niazi, the skipper, has padded up as the third player.
It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think it's a very good choice. Two players have scored runs on the day, left and right hand combination. Could never ask better. And I'm with you, Maza, when you said Ripon Mondal, he should be the one. He's the match winner from semi-final, has the confidence. Bowled well today as well, 25 for 3 of his 4 overs. Definitely he should be the one.
Saad Masood will be up against someone like Ripon Mondal, who bowls those Yorkers to perfection. They need 7 to win. Ripon Mondal will be eyeing those block hole right from the word go.
Interestingly, Saad Masood is going to take strike. Right-hand batter, Mas Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over, chasing 7 runs and isn't facing.
Ripon Mondal, can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent, certainly the find of the season for Bangladesh. Very good attitude, good action, good run up, and here's an opportunity for Ripon to make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cup.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh is looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just 1 hit away.
Into reverse swing, was tailing back in to the right hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to speedy stroke, direct it would have had him. It was excellent cricket. That was excellent by Ripon Mondal, off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Called back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require 1 now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. Under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. You went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just 1 run away.
No more drama required. This